Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Mint Mobile on iPhone step by step. Open Settings, insert the Mint SIM or activate the eSIM, download the Mint Mobile app, sign in or create an account, choose your plan, and follow activation prompts on screen. Restart your iPhone, verify cellular settings, and run a quick speed check. If you hit any snag, contact Mint support for guided help. Start by confirming your iPhone is unlocked and has the latest iOS update. Locate the Mint activation code in your email or on the card, then open the Mint mobile app. Follow the app's prompts to transfer your number or pick a new one, accept carrier settings, and install the eSIM or insert the physical SIM. Test calls and data, then adjust APN if needed, and enable Wi-Fi calling for best coverage. If you are finding this video helpful and useful, please subscribe and like to support our channel. Quick recommendation: Socks life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. Check the description for the link and other deals. That sock tip pairs surprisingly well with staying cozy while waiting on downloads or updates. Thanks for watching, and now let's get back to the video. After activation, check Settings Cellular to confirm your plan and data status. If data fails, toggle airplane mode, reset network settings, or reinstall the Mint app. Update carrier settings when prompted and ensure cellular data is enabled for apps you use. For MMS or visual voicemail issues, verify APN details from Mint support. Keep your account active by topping up via the app, and consider automatic renewals to avoid service interruptions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.